Okay, I am recording the sewer line at 2602 Magnolia Lane, Seattle, Washington. The date is April 3rd, Tuesday, 2018. I'm recording from an inside clean out in the basement, inside cast iron clean out in the basement. Right now what you're looking at is the city main. Approximately, let's say 80 feet out there. So there's the main flowing by, and I'll be recording backwards, coming back towards the clean out, and narrating as I go. You can see there the drop into the main. We're now in concrete pipe, pulling back. Rotate the screen so we're back on the bottom. Looks like we pulled back into some plastic here at about 70 feet. This is PVC pipe. That's somewhere along the line there's been a repair done. Still in plastic here. It appears we're coming back into ABS plastic, a different kind of plastic, but still newer plastic pipe in the ground. What you see along the top there are just cobwebs. It's not any kind of root or anything. That's just a cobweb from lack of use. Couple turns there. And this is a drop down into a horizontal line. We got some good grade going here. Plastic still. Another turn there. It appears we're still in plastic. The line is a little bit flat right there through that section. See that puddle there? It's just a little bit of a flat pipe, no grade there, so that puddle is always kind of sitting there. And we're back inside of cast iron now. This is all good cast iron. Now we're coming out of the clean out. There is your clean out in the basement here. There is your back door for a reference point. Technician is Casey. And we're signing out.